Hello everyone, today I will show you how to retrieve sensor IDs with the TPMS5, how to retrieve the IDs from the ECU of the car and then program those sensor IDs to the new sensor that you're replacing. Today we're working with alligator sensors. So with your TPMS5 you want to go ahead and select replace, select the alligator sensor that we are using right now. It's going to ask you to select the part number, hit program, and now you want to retrieve the sensor IDs. And as you can see, that was really quick. It gives you all the 4 sensor IDs that are currently stored. So we're going to take it one by one. First, we're going to program the first sensor for the front left tire. Then make sure you hold the sensor at the top of the antenna, of course. Okay, we're going to take the next one, do the same thing. Okay, we'll take the third one. Okay, and last sensor. Perfect. Now all these sensors are programmed with the same sensor IDs that were stored in the ECU already, and they're ready to be installed in the tire.